What up, y'all? We back with another banger, y'all. So this right here is a multiple weekend vlog. We got my birthday weekend in there. We got the elite club games. We got senior skip day. We got everybody's proms. So y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Keep tuning in. Let's go.
I just brought a bag full of 4 grams in the air. I'm the ticket in the trenches, I'm the man of the year. Run down on a nigga, put your hands in the air. Really can't sit with me if you niggas had a chair.
Let's go.
Chill,
Picking up this shirt.
That and shit right now.
What's up behind you, bro?
Can't see. Don't put it now. Don't put it now. That shit dumb flat. Oh my god. Ladies, your time. Don't put it now. Wind it. Sit it. Sit. Just sit down, ladies.
Finally got to the hotel.
Nasty 19.
Yeah, I've been vlogging all weekend.
My baby Nick
Let's
19.
go.
Really, I'm
Nick
in it though,
19.
bro. I just did like.
No,
30
bro, let's
push-ups.
go 19, bro. We just, feel me? Push
We
up.
really, we pushing P, bro. We.
Show me how fast you is, though.
What?
Go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yo, give me though. Give me.
Oh! Had a great time. For today, I don't really got much to do. Right now, I'm about to go to a little cookout. Later tonight, I'm gonna be at a party, so I'll be vlogging that for y'all. Y'all gonna be able to see the party, all that. Just stay tuned.
They out there, y'all. Oh, my fault. Oh, my fault. They out there.
We're gonna be going to Franklin Square.
Ride solo when I'm still in the group. Please see my feet, yeah, I'm still in the take off the case. Got a Haitian nigga that'll take off your.
What that do? Come on now. Come on now. Let's go.
Let me see what you got.
Dude, raindrops. We got the good.
Go get one from the library.
I'm done.
What the viewers rate me?
Rating 1 through 10.
I gotta
now
be
get
a
me.
10.
Comment.
I'm a 10, right?
Jada, wait up. Comment.
Wait, if he a 10, I gotta be a 10.
15.
No.
Oh, that's go. What up, y'all?
Okay.
I ain't doing
Let's go, McQueen. Up.
Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, bro. Bitch, you down there and shit, bro. That be niggas' problem, bro. Niggas worried about bitches. You got money. Where the hell you worried about? What they gotta do with me looking ugly right now with no hat on?
Worried about bitches. Knock your face off your body, yo. You know what we on tonight, though. You know what we on.
Yes, sir.
We
Let's
popping out
go.
to the party. We getting
Let's
fly.
go.
We on the same time that we on right now.
You know how that
All
go.
my money though. He said, "Yo, Kyrie, give me 1,500 right now, and we gonna go to prom." Now that's 35.
What? I forgot my.
What are you doing, Birdie? You gotta chill. We going to the beach. We on the way to Silver right now. Y'all see we got the cooler.
Your turn.
don't know why niggas tweeting. What up, Nooch?
Let's go,
They
buddy.
bugging. We out here, y'all.
Let's go.
I ain't even bring the bottles over here. Bottles over here. We not worried about no violence. We getting lit. Word of bro, shout out to Nooch.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Hey, man. We outside, 85-degree weather, man. This shit getting lit.
Let's go.
Let's see how this shit getting. It's a
Let's
movie.
go. Let's go. Pudgy, yo.
Let's go, man, yo.
Let's
Only
go.
a junior, but wait till next year with that proms and all this shit. Man. Yeah, I know that. Feel me?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wicked.
Stunting, one of OJ's, smackers, Erkies, all type of shit. Erkies, all type of shit.
Watch these stacks.
Let's go. Sorry.
They had a whole room to themselves.
Rockstar.
It's out. Game over.
This shit remind me about the Patriots, bro. Now he's not gonna pass this one.
GG.